Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí iléeṣẹ́ wa o. Ọdọọdún bí ṣàlàáfíà ní gbogbo ilé wà. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá nation lọ́nà àbáyọ o. Bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀, Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìròyìn tó ń dé sí etí ìgbọ́ alákòókò ọ̀wọ̀ yìí ó mà ṣe o. Gbajúgbajà olórin ni King Sunny Adé, òun ni wọ́n jẹ́ ká mọ̀ báyìí wípé wọ́n ti jí wọn gbé o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti jí King Sunny Adé, wọ́n ti jí wọn gbé. Ní báyìí bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, ọmọ King Sunny Adé òun ló pariwo síta o. Ọmọ wọn obìnrin ó ní wọ́n ti jí bàbá òun gbé o. Ẹ̀yin aráàlú, gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ gbà wọ́n. Ó ní òun ti pariwo títí wọ́n rò bí eré ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìròyìn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń dé bá wa lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ti ṣe kọ, legendary juju singer King Sunny Adé has been declared missing by his daughter Damilola Adeniyi Adegege on social media. In a series of posts going viral, Damilola claimed King Sunny Adé had been kidnapped by his stepbrother and a manager. Onto this one, Damilola also shared details about King Sunny Adé's health and what she alleged his abductors had been doing to him. Well, onto this one, according to the statement, legendary juju singer King Sunny Adé has reportedly been kidnapped, according to his daughter Damilola Esther Adeniyi Adegeye. On April 28, 2025, a media personality identified as at Akanbi the Duke on Instagram took to his page to amplify King Sunny Adé's daughter's cries for help about his father's safety. In a lengthy post, he explained how he had personally tried to contact the 78-year-old musician before a friend reached out to him on the daughter's behalf over concerns about King Sunny Adé. According to Akanbi, all efforts of KSA's close allies to reach him had proved abortive. He also added that King Sunny Adé's daughter Damilola also claimed that her dad had been unreachable for a while, and that his manager named Dayo, who is also KSA's stepbrother, and his other siblings had abducted the singer. Damilola claimed that these people had been making King Sunny Adé sign up for many gigs without actually performing, thereby ruining his image. She also added that they were the ones in charge of his funds at the expense of the singer's biological children. It was also reported that what made King Sunny Adé's daughter more worried was the last time she spoke to him. She claimed that her father sounded very distressed and the phone was taken away from him. Akanbi wrote in part. According to the statement, I quote, "What further created serious worry for Damilola, according to her, was that the last time she spoke to KSA, he sounded distressed and the phone was quickly taken away from him. Ever since, he has not been reachable, although Damilola had since embarked on a personal rigorous campaign for her father. It seemed like her voice had been drowned by the fact that no one reckoned with her." In the comment section of the post, King Sunny Adé's daughter Damilola shared more details about her dad's situation. According to her, the family has been looking for the singer, who she claimed is working under duress. KSA's daughter also spoke about her father's health condition, as she claimed he has insomnia and then was being pumped with sleeping pills while they moved him around from hotel to hotel instead of taking him home. All right. And then onto this one, he made it clear that my dad is working under duress and the real family is looking for him, but the manager is keeping him away from home and his office as well. The manager, his mom, and the driver has been taking him to different hotels. Dad told his firstborn that he wants to go home, but they keep telling him to stay in hotel for his own good, while they pump him with sleeping medications because of his insomnia. He is 78 years old and they keep making him play at shows even after one of the daughters just died, and he has not had time to mourn yet. I want my dad out of their bondage now, please help me. On her Instagram page, Damilola also shared several alleged conversations she had with family members and the said manager Dayo over the issue. All right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. Onto this one. Ẹ̀yin wa ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn o. Wọ́n ní àwọn tí wọ́n jí King Sunny Ade KSA gbé, àwọn manager àti step brother àwọn náà jí gbé gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti ṣe gbọ́. Ní báyìí wọ́n ní kí olúkálùkù kán ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ o. Ọmọ King Sunny Ade ló jáde tán báyìí tó wá sọ eléyìí pé kí àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ pé wọ́n fi tipátipá wọ́n fi ń mú bàbá àwọn kiri kí bàbá àwọn máa kọrin kó máa ṣe gbogbo at the end of the day owó náà àwọn náà ló ń ná. Bàbá ti dàgbà báyìí o, 78 years ni bàbá. Torí Ọlọ́run, ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá mọ ibi tí King Sunny Ade wà kí wọ́n tètè pe àwọn ọlọ́pàá nídìí láti dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kó má lọ di wípé bàbá oníbàbá wa kú tán àwọn kan wá ń jáde pé ẹ bá ti sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ bá ti ṣe gbá ẹ bá ti ṣàwò wọ́n ti jí bàbá gbé leléyìí o, because wọ́n ní duress ni bàbá fi ń dáhùn gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń dá wọn sọ, tó ń bá àwọn èèyàn sọ, tó ń bá wọn sọ, ó ń sọ bí ìgbà tí wọ́n kàn nípa láti máa sọ ni. Ó máa ṣe o. Àfi kí Elédùmarè gba gbogbo wa. Yorùbá nation ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ o, bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀. Àwa náà ti rí bí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe àṣemáṣe ní ìlú tá wà yìí. Àti wá mọ̀ pé àwọn ará ilé gan pàápàá tí wọ́n gan tún lágbára. Abẹ́ẹ̀ máa rí nǹkan bí tàwọn ará ilé gan ó tún burú jáì. Àfi kí Elédùmarè kó dáríjì wá kó dẹ̀ gbẹ́bẹ̀ wa nìkan ló kù báyìí o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àní ojú báyìí lọ lórí ilé. A ó máa bẹ ọ̀bẹ níbẹ̀ ṣó àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ abẹnàwò. Ẹni tó bá ní a máa bọ̀ òun là ní dé bá. God bless Yorùbá nation. Kí Elédùmarè kó bùkún fún orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá. Ó dàbọ̀.